Okie dokie. April 17th, 2023. A blizzard hit again. It was 90 degrees last week. 90 one day, 89 the next, and 85. Way above the average. The average here, Wisconsin, northern, this time of the year is like 50, 55. And then last night the big storm hit again. So we got probably 12 to 14 inches still coming down. And anyways, that's where we're at right now. It's been a wild one. It's been a wild one so far. It all melted. Everything was good. But then this hit again. So we're hanging out. And I can't go anyplace right now. I'm not going to start my tractor up, which you see right there. You see my tractor, and you see my camper here that we spent the winter in Arizona, California. That's pretty well under snow. I was just cleaning it out for the winter there. So there we got the old fifth wheel here. Fifth wheel's all fired up. I've been staying in that. Nice heater in it, nice furnace. There's the gate up there, but it's a wintry blizzard that came in. So it won't last. A couple days it'll be gone. But we're talking April 17th, 2023. A breaker. Okay, so there's a little more what's going on out here. River's over there, and it just shows the kind of what it is here that we're going through. My campsite. Here's my barbecue pit over here. That's pretty well under. April 17th, 2023. And there it is. It's a wicked. Whoa! That was the dude.